Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here at the airport in Taipei, and we just got our through baggage claim and immigration and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take the MRT from here to the city. It's super easy. You come out, there's a bunch of different ways you can go to the city. You can get the bus, you can have an airport shuttle, or you can take a taxi. But the easiest way, and it's pretty fast, is to just jump on the purple line, which is the MRT. So let's go through here. I'll show you what to expect and a little bit of the train ride, and let's go over and see what we see. So right when you come out, this is the meeting point here. There's a bunch of banks, there's coffee shops, convenience stores. You can get a new SIM card. All of that is right here. Super easy if you need to do any of that stuff. You can see up ahead is mobile. Now what I do is I do YesSIM. It's a eSIM, and then I just activate it whenever I land, and it's pretty convenient. I've used them in every country I've been to except for Cambodia, because it didn't work in Cambodia. Okay, so we just follow the signage. So you see MRT to high-speed rail. This is to the left right after you come out of baggage claim. And just follow the signs. It's pretty easy. Now it's a bit of a walk from here to the MRT station, so be prepared. And then the high-speed rail, all of that you catch over at the main train station in Taipei. So when you're on the train here, it's 43 minutes. Or 34 minutes, something like that. It's not very far if you get the express, and everything is really well marked. So you can go to Terminal 2 from here. Also, this is Terminal 1 where we're at. So you have the departure hall, boarding. So over here, this is where you'll be when you leave. And make sure before you get on the train that you go to the bathroom, because it's a little bit of a wait. There's plenty of bathrooms here also. And some last minute souvenirs when you're leaving. And we'll go down. It's a 300 or 400 meter walk, I think. And a food court and stuff like that if you're hungry. But we keep going down and just keep following the signs. And one more long hallway to walk down. Now, I don't do anything here. If you have the Easy card, you might be able to do something there, but it looks like Taiwan Mobile and stuff. I'll show you the ticket windows and everything right up here. Tells you right here what trains are coming. The Express is the one you want to get on. It's the faster one. The Commuter is quite a bit slower. Here are all the ticket windows. So you can get a single journey right here, or you can top up your Easy card if you have it. That's a refillable card. I think the card costs $100, and then you just put money on it. It gives you discounts and stuff. But what I do is I ignore all of this and get in line, and I just buy a single ticket. It's a little purple disc, and get it right here from these ladies for $160. Okay, so if you want to use the machine, have close to exact change, click here. You want to go to the main train station, and one ticket, and it's $160. So you can put in 200, it'll give you the change for that. So let's get our coupon here. Okay, so you get a little blue or a purple coupon, and then you just come up here and you scan it, and then that's all there is to it. When you leave, you stick it in the slot right here, and that's how you leave. Okay, so make sure you keep a hold of your purple little ticket or your little disc. Okay, so if you go to track 1, it's the normal, or platform 1. Platform 2 is the Express. The Express stops at 2 stations along the way. The other one stops at every one. And down here, so it'll go to the Taipei Main Station. All right, let's get on our train. And it looks like it's going to be standing room only and crowded. Okay, so here's the way. We'll go from here all the way to the Taipei Main Station. Okay, so this is the inside of the train here. See, everybody's got their bags. There's a few places to store them here. It's crowded today, so just standing room only. But this is the Express, and it has free Wi-Fi while you're on the train. So the first stop along the way, one of two. This is the hospital, and then it'll stop at the industrial park. You can see one of the commuter trains over there. So the whole trip is 34 minutes or so on the express train. Not long at all. The train is super quiet and smooth. It's $160 to ride this. Okay, so here we are, about ready to get off. So 34 minutes. All right, and that's that. Let's find our way around the terminal now. Okay, so this is in the Taipei Main Station. We'll go up this way and leave. We'll scan our ticket and then we'll go find the metro. Just stick it in the slot, and away we go. Okay, so we're out of the little turnstiles. Now to return, you just buy your little coupon right there, or your little disc. Now what you do is you just follow the signs. We're going to be going over to the metro line. We'll find a blue or a red line, and it tells you right up there. So we'll go through this. This station is cavernous, as you can see. There's a mall, there's all kinds of stuff in here, plus the high-speed rail. It services all of Taiwan from here. You have to just follow all of the signs. The high-speed rail, the surface trains all go through here, plus two of the metro lines, the blue and the red lines. Okay, so you follow the MRT signs, the blue and the red sign, and you come over here to one of these information booths. And this is where you can buy the Fun Pass, or if you want to buy just Metro passes, you can buy them here, or you can get the Easy Card, which works right here, and you can refill the Easy Card. Now you have to go up to the window and ask them about it, and you can buy a 2, 3, 4, or 5 day pass, and it starts the day that you first scan it at the gates right over here, and it also works on the buses. So it's pretty convenient. And it tells you on the little window when it expires. Okay, so I got the 5 day pass. It was $770. Now, Taiwan is super easy to get around. I've never had to take a taxi while I'm here. And where we are is right here at the main train station, and it goes everywhere you want to go. So all parts of the city. And if it doesn't go by metro, you can get on the city buses and just scan this. So it's super easy. So there you go. You're all set to explore the city. All right, hope this helps. It's super easy to get from the airport over here to the main part of Taipei. And from here, you can take buses, you can take the MRT, you can take the high-speed rail, you can take the regular train out of here. It's a pretty convenient place. If you stay around here, you got access to several of the MRT lines also. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like. If it was helpful or have any questions, ask me in a comment down below. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Check out my pinned comment. I'll probably pin a comment to my Taiwan playlist so you get a few ideas of what to do here. And until next time, from over here in Taipei, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.